Hi everyone. In this video I'll teach you how to create a Christmas poster design in Adobe Illustrator. First, create a new document of these dimensions. I have these colors which I used to design this poster. Go to the rectangle tool and draw an artboard size rectangle. Open the gradient panel and apply the gradient to it. Select the one side gradient, hold the Shift button and click on the light red color using the eyedropper tool. Select the other gradient and apply the darker red. Select the gradient tool and adjust it. Select it and go to the Object menu, Lock and Selection, or press Ctrl+2. Then go to the Polygon tool and click on the artboard. Set sides to 3 and hit OK. Select the top anchor point and drag it up using the Direct Selection tool. Go to the Anchor Point tool and follow me. And apply the gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Then go to the Effect menu, Pixelate, and Mezzotint. Use these settings for this effect. Change gradient to radial, follow my gradient settings. Select and go to the Object menu, Rasterize. Use these settings and hit OK. And go to the Object menu, Image Trace, and Make. Then click on the Expand button. Double-click on it, go to the Magic Wand tool. Click on any black area to select objects of the same color. Go to the Edit menu and Cut. Select and delete the remaining parts. Then paste it in front. Unite it using the Pathfinder tool. And change the color to white. Use the Lasso tool to select particles manually. Follow me here. Now go to the Star tool. Click and set the sides to 4, and hit OK. Change its color, and apply the outer glow to it. Follow my outer glow settings. And place it in different positions. Now it is time to add text to it. Use the Type tool and type the text. Follow my text settings. And that's it. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.